Hey yo people, it's your boy Scroll World, and in this review we'll test how to get free scripts for Blox Fruits game for your Roblox. Absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And then let's click on Browse Scripts. Let's click on Blox Fruits. It's the first one. It should load up like this, guys. And then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID or our Roblox username. So guys, I will just enter my Roblox username, and that's pretty much it what we will have to enter. Nothing else, guys, don't worry, because it's the only thing what we will enter. So just click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile, and guys, you should get confirmation. So if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. We are connected. So let's go. Now we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to get our scripts imported, and like we have to import any executor which will import those scripts. So guys, don't worry, because we can do it now. So we will import Delta executor. Guys, if you already have Delta, just select yes. If you already have a different executor, just make sure to select I already have a different executor. So I have no, and select no. So we will import new as Delta. So boom, we got option for selecting scripts. Now we will select our scripts that we would like to import along our Delta that we will use on our Blox Fruits. So I will just select Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius, and Soluna, these four, and I will continue with them. Guys, you can also Google those scripts and see what they are doing, like what they have of options or features, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's see. Nice, guys. API is connected, our 4 scripts selected already, and our activation key is there as well. So guys, now we will have to click on I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and let's see what we'll get. So nice, guys. Our scripts are imported, and look at this user ID, and our key is there fully activated as well. Let's open our Roblox, guys. I cannot wait to open it and see are we actually receiving it. So let's click on Blox Fruits, let's click play, and let's just make sure that it works. We'll just wait this loading screen. I will rotate my phone, and let's see now. Nice, guys, please wait a while. It's the sign that we actually received our Delta, and let's check for scripts. Nice, guys. Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius, and Soluna. All scripts are imported. I cannot believe that it actually worked, guys. Let me open it once again, and then we will start Nikius, for example. Click on execute on script, guys. Let's wait a little bit. And now, nice, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We got our working script. Now, guys, you can do literally whatever you like. So you can click farm nearest, and it will start finding nearest farm. Look at this. Now it's farming automatically, guys. It's just one of options that we can actually use. Look at this. It's sick, guys. It's actually sick. So it worked after testing a lot of websites. Bloxforge.com was the only working one, guys. That's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. So thank you once again so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.